Hello, welcome. I wanted to jump onto this live to invite those of you who have not joined the Watermelon Only group. Okay, we're going to be doing a watermelon only cleanse. Okay, this is going to be for 5 days. Okay, but of course you can go as long as you want, and it's all you have to do. And why I'm here is to explain to you what the process is. Okay, all you're going to do is you're going to change your diet. Okay, you're going to go from eating whatever you're eating to eating only watermelons. That's it. Okay, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or whenever you're hungry. It's that simple. Okay, that's what the watermelon cleanse is. It's basically changing your diet to the watermelon only. So whenever you're hungry, you eat watermelon. It doesn't matter what it is. Okay, and if you can afford it, you're going to use the herbs. You're going to use the Fabulous 5. Okay, and you're going to use the kidney tea, and also the kidney 60. It's fantastic for your kidneys, and I recommend that you get it. Okay, so I want to explain to you why we use watermelon only cleanse. Watermelons are very astringent. They're very hydrating. They have a lot of properties that are medicinal. Okay, it has lycopene in there, fantastic for fighting any kind of tumors or anything like that. Okay, it's antioxidant. It has flavonoids. It has everything in there good for you. The seeds are fantastic as well. It's been used traditionally for the kidneys and the female reproductive area, for the heart. It's a good all-round flusher. It flushes the whole body. And remember that when you're trying to heal something, you are trying to heal because your body is obstructed. There's 3 energy flows: blood flow, lymph flow, and nerve flow. And when any of these are affected, then you're going to have health issues. So your job is to go on a cleanse to remove those obstructions so the body can self-heal itself. You see, the tools, the fruits and the herbs are just tools. They're not the healers. The healer is the body. It's a self-healing entity. So your job is to open the pathway of energy flow. This blood flow, lymph flow, and nerve flow. Nerve flow is to communicate between the cells. Blood flow is to feed the cells, and lymph flow is to remove waste from the cells. When that's functioning properly, you always you'll be healthy. When it's not functioning properly, you get a health issue. So the watermelon only cleanse is basically you substitute your meals with watermelon. Okay, I usually don't use more than one. Okay, you can use 1 or 2, and you use the herbs as I mentioned. Okay, the Fabulous 5 at the very least, and the kidney tea. Okay, and that's it. It's that simple. So I thought I would jump in to invite you to this cleanse because there's still time for you to join. Hit me up for the link. It's the Watermelon Only Detox group. I want you to be there because there I support people. It's a smaller group and you get more attention from me as well. Okay, but let me see if any more questions. If not, I'll leave. Someone says I'm on stage 4. So you have kidney issues. I bought the tea. What else do I need? You need a full protocol. Please reach out to me. I'll give you a protocol. Okay, because when you have kidney issues like this, remember that what affects the function of the kidney, what affects the function of any kind of organ is mucus, excess mucus and acids affecting its function. It can either weaken it or strengthen it, or both. Both will happen eventually. Okay, so you can have a hyper situation or you can have a hypo situation, but in this case, mucus acids are affecting the function of your kidneys, which means you got to open the lymph system up. You go 100% fruit diet. You got to use herbs for the kidneys to strengthen it. You need like nettle seed, kidney 60. That's what I would be on if it were me personally on it. Okay, but if you do the work and you are relentless, you definitely get better. I've helped so many people to get healthier kidneys. Okay, so reach out to me. Let's see. Okay. So any more questions? If not, I will say bye. But yeah, so please do join again on the cleanse. I would love to see you there. We're already having great results. Okay, someone already did a 7-day cleanse. Looks fantastic. They cleanse the whole body. Okay, so there's no reason why you can't. Yeah, the link I will post once I finish this video. I'm gonna leave this link for you. And there'll be a link on this video here once I post it. Okay. If I heat the tinctures with hot water, would that remove the alcohol? Yes, it will evaporate most of it. Yes, but remember that don't be concerned about the alcohol. It's medicinal alcohol, and it's tinctures have been used for thousands of years. If you see how much I take, you'll be shocked. Okay, I take literally. I think I have about 10 or 11 of them at a go, and I take them 3 times a day, and I've been doing so for years. Okay, so. Don't worry about the alcohol, but definitely you can put it into make your herbal tea, your kidney tea, and put the tincture into the tea. It will evaporate. Most of it will. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what a FS Rebecca, I'm not sure what a SFN is. I don't go by these names. I go by healing the body and health. I don't go by the diseases. Okay, so you got to tell me what it is. What we recommend for autoimmune. Autoimmune issues are a lymphatic issue. You have to address your lymphatic system. When your lymphatic system is compromised, when your kidneys are not filtering out waste, you will have these autoimmune issues arise easily. Okay, so to fix it, always address the cause. The cause is a diet, number one. So if it's for me, I'll be 100% fruit diet. Okay, I'll be on lymphatic herbs, kidney herbs, Fabulous 5, kidney tea at the very least, and focus. Okay, focus. It will take you time because this is a chronic issue. It's long. It has been brewing for a long time. It's not going to be easy to get out of it, but definitely you can get better. Okay, work on your lymph system, work on your kidneys. That's what it is. You're welcome, sir. So, okay. So I guess no more questions. What's the cause of acne? Acne, if you have acne, it's two things. Number one is your kidneys always, okay? Because the skin is the third kidney. If the kidneys are not filtering out waste, your skin, is not filtering out waste, first of all, it'll be obstructive, right? But also if the kidneys are not filtering out waste, your skin takes the burden. Skin is not efficient, so there'll be obstructions and there'll be piling up of waste underneath the skin. And number two, hormones are affected. But again, mucus and acids affect the glands, which affect the hormones, which will cause this to happen for you. So you gotta address the whole body, focus on the kidneys mostly. Okay, focus on the liver and spleen for the skin as well. Okay. Oh, thank you so much, Rebecca. Rebecca says she loves the group. I'm so happy. It was my goal to make this group so personal and loving and kind to everybody. So I hope it's that way. It's getting bigger and bigger, and that's great. And we have to send more people to look over and make sure there's only positive messages in this group. I don't want any negativity. I don't want any hate. I want only love in this group. Okay. So, do you agree with healing the gut before heavy detoxing? No, I think you detox the whole body. The gut is part of the process. So whenever you're detoxing, you always want to address the gut anyways, and that's why I have the Fabulous 5, because it has helps for the gut as well. But when you're detoxing the fruits, you are cleansing the gut. So why just focus on the gut? The body doesn't work in parts. It works as a whole. You cannot fix one part and hope the rest will be better. Fix the whole body. That's why I created the Fabulous 5 and the kidney tea and the 100% fruit diet. That's why it's there. So you don't have to focus on the gut only. Focus on the whole body. Put extra herbs for the gut if you're concerned about the gut. What would help low blood pressure? Low blood pressure is if your adrenals are weak. So you want to use adrenal herbs. Okay, 100% fruit diet, Fabulous 5 kidney tea. On our website, we have something called Adrenal Restorative. Fantastic for your adrenals. Okay, I love that stuff. I take it 3 to 4 times a day because you cannot get any, like, in other words, your adrenals are never strong enough. So I keep on trying to fix my adrenals, always fix my adrenals, because adrenals are the weakest link, and kidneys in our bodies. So always address your adrenals. Low blood pressure is your adrenals. Okay, fix your adrenals. What's the best way to address the fatty liver? Fatty liver is the fact that your liver, your whole body is acidic, but your liver especially is the weakest point. So it's accumulating fat to defend itself against metabolic waste or acids or toxins. So you need to open the lymph system. You need to fix the kidneys. It's a kidney and lymphatic issue. So 100% fruit diet, Fabulous 5 kidney tea, nettle seed tea, kidney 6 tincture, and liver and pancreas tincture to address the liver. That's what I would do if it were me. Okay. This is how you fix the liver. You want to take, also you can take some milk thistle tea. It's fantastic for your liver. Rebecca says, I've been juicing and I'm noticing a difference, especially in my legs. I have a pain because of my small neuropathy. Yes, neuropathy is neurological, always. So you're doing a fantastic job. Continue what you're doing. But you address for neurological issues, always address 3 main parts. So the whole body always, Fabulous 5 kidney tea. But we want extra herbs for the adrenals, extra herbs for the solar plexus or the gut, because the solar plexus houses nerves, and the back of the head. So you got to clean the head of your sinuses, clean your sinuses. Use neurological tincture for the brain and nerves. Use circulation tincture for blood flow to the head. Clean the sinuses, okay? Do your ear candles, eye washes, neti pot, and clean your gut, and you see you'll get better faster, okay? And go on high berry diet, fantastic for the nerves. Okay, berries are fantastic. Please tell us a safe detox to do while breastfeeding. If you're breastfeeding, you can use the herbs, okay? Just, you don't have to be aggressive, but remember that what you eat is what your child gets. So you want to be on a high fruit, a raw vegan diet, at the very least. You want to avoid proteins and starches. Your child will suffer. You can test it and see. You can take a week of protein and starches and see how your child responds, and a week on fruits and veggies, and you see how your child responds. But remember that when you are detoxing, your child is also detoxing, and it's not a bad thing. But if you want a nice calm detox, then use the teas like kidney tea. It's fantastic for that. You can use the Fabulous 5 tincture, just a little bit here and there. You don't have to be overly aggressive, but the diet is crucial when you're breastfeeding. You want alkaline diet. You don't want acidic diet. Okay. Let's see. Any good questions? Okay. So yeah, guys, I came on here just to recommend you to join the watermelon only cleanse. That's why I came here, and there's a lot of questions here. But yeah, so please do join us. The group, I'll post the link. Okay, when I'm done here, okay, and all you have to do is switch your diet to the watermelons. Okay, this is nice watermelon. I don't think this is really ripe, but watermelon, and then it doesn't matter what it is. It could be seeded, okay, preferably. If it's not seeded, you can use the seedless organic. If you still don't have any of those access, you can still use the conventional ones, and it does work. Okay, this is from my experience. This is from helping others. It does work. Okay, not the best choice, but it works. And you use the Fabulous 5, and you use the the kidney tea, and you stick to the path. That's it. 5 days. That's what we're doing. 5 days. We're done. I'll post the link. You join, and we'll meet you there. And you ask questions on the watermelon only cleanse. Watermelons are fantastic for you. One of the most, in my opinion, super healing foods you can use. Okay, it's full of nutrients, full of structured water, full of antioxidants, flavonoids. Cleanses the kidneys, cleanses the urinary tract. Okay, good for the heart, good for the sex drive. Okay, oh my God, it's endless. It's endless. Okay, and yeah, so. Be sure to join if you have not already joined us. Okay, so I'm going to end it here, and I'm going to jump on a live on Instagram right now. If you didn't answer your questions, you want to join me there, it'd be nice in 5-10 minutes, and I'll see you there. Okay. Until then, have a wonderful rest of the day, and bless you.